on the waterfall, and it's so cool! Exciting. Now let's see. Where do we have to go? Hey guys, welcome to this peaceful place. And if you guys want to come here, then come here whenever you want. When it's like a nice peaceful day, nice warm day. And you guys will see so much water stuff. Like look, this is a waterfall. See? So there's so much water, and I'm going to be climbing the rope in the water. I don't know yet. Well, I may be doing that. Well, I will have to put my slippers on. Right now I have shoes. There's waterproof shoes, so I can go in the water and swim. Definitely. Okay, guys, I'm on. So now look, this is the most calmest and peaceful place that I really wanted to go. So that's why I came here for the waterfall. It's like so cool. But I am the most one who has to be careful, right? Now guys, let's give myself a tour. Bruce Trail, whoa. Look, it shows that. Oh my God, there's stairs. Wait, I think I came here once. It looks like that. Because it even says Bruce Trail last time when I came. So this is the one. I get to go there with the stairs. There's stairs. Okay. Now I'm going to be climbing them and see what is up there. Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm up. Now there's something that's asking a question. Good, bad, or I don't know. Let's see. Now where is the, it's saying tons of marks at that side. Why is it saying go there? Then that must be the way, because it's saying go there. Okay, falls trails. Okay, we gotta go. Well, we're passing the falls, but we're gonna go to the falls and I'm gonna climb the rope, maybe. Let's just see first. Now, where do we have to go right now? I don't know, because I've seen this. It takes a little long to at least get there, but I can make this vlog in parts, so then I won't just be showing you all this stuff. I'll even show you the waterfall. So calm. You guys can even hear the bird sounds, right? Well, even the waterfall. Like that noise. Definitely has to be that noise. Wait, we're close. We're so close. Like I can hear it falling. Oh my God. We are literally here. Almost. It's just saying go somewhere. Are we gonna go on A or that way? It's such a loud noise right now. Not loud, I can say. Okay, A. So we're going on this. Well, we're not going, oh yeah, this is A way. So let's go on A way. Oh. Now we have to be careful because it is slippery. Really slippery, okay? Because there has been water over here since long. There's no lifeguards at least. Whoa. Now these look like real stairs. Bump. Whoa. That was a big jump. Couldn't have fell down. The waterfall's here, guys. I just reached the waterfall. The little waterfall. Okay. So this is one thing. Let me show you the waterfall. I really love being here in like a ton of times. Wait guys, I have something special to show you right down here. It looks like steps, but now, My gosh. I have been down there one time, but guys, so this is it, and all the water is coming so fast to pass down there. Wait, guys, wait. Okay, so that's the waterfall. It's so down, as you guys can see. But why is there a watermelon over there? That's so funny. Did it grow or something? I don't know. Well, let's just focus on this vlog, because it's so calm here. You guys should definitely visit at Hogs Fall. Guys, I'm literally in the water and the fall is right there. Oh, it's so weird. It's like so cold. Look at my brother. My brother's right there just chilling out, doing all that stuff he wants to. But I am, what? It's so cold. Oh my gosh, there's a climb down. Let me go on the climb down. Woo! I'm on the climb down part. I almost went down on that one. Well, it's just a little, so who cares? Oh, my brother's coming up. That's the deep part. Well, not that deep part. Oh. My grandpa is also here with me today.
Hello, Yusha.
Yeah.
It's a nice place, yeah? I like it.
I'm going to follow him. There's fish here, too. I shouldn't go that far because, you know, it's deep, right? But I still can go. I hope I don't fall down so much.
Go there. I'll hold you. That's it. Wait.
Oh, guys, it is so crazy. The waterfall is right there, and I'm standing so close to the waterfall. I'm like just 300 centimeters away from the waterfall, and it's so cool. Yeah, boy. Now I get to go to this school. Last time I did get it. Now it's my freedom time. So guys, you better come and get your all things.
Put the water. Water in your hand. Put the water. Water in your hand. Put the water. That's it. Spray the water. Look, Yusha, like this.
Yeah. Woo!
Your mother is very new. Your mother, yeah?
Yeah. He's so fast in the water. You guys should also definitely come and visit the falls because I really love it here. It's so good. Whoa! There's even grass. Let me meditate here. It is so peaceful, right? Okay, that was so great meditation. You guys should also every day do meditation. And guys, whoa, look, this is like grass, and there's like waterfalls coming. But how and why does wet grass grow everywhere? Hey guys, I found the Canadian leaf! The Canadian leaf! Woo! I live in Canada, so if you love Ontario and if you love falls, well, you guys could explore here, and you even can come in here, like I just did right now, and find this Canada leaf. Woo! I'm so excited. And my meditation is really nice. Ooh la la. Wait, guys! Guys, watch this! guys, well, I have a big thing up ahead. We have to climb up here. It's gonna be so exciting. Ah, oh, E. Ah. Whoa, it's so cool. Ah, it's like a wall climbing up to the top. Ah. Oh my, it's so slippery. Oh. There you go. I got it. Now we're gonna go this way. Let's explore this big trail. I don't know where to go. Well, it says this. So it is showing the trail is going this way. It is even showing that. This way or that way? Who knows? Oh, let's go straight. Oh, now we have to go down. I think this is the way. Are we lost? Now let's see. Where do we have to go? Where do we have to go? Maybe this way? Well, the waterfalls is far away. Guys, it's so peaceful here. I hope I do meditation for every day when I come here. Well, I'm like concerned about where is the track to go. There was some stairs. Well, I don't know where the stairs are now. They were close to the waterfall. So there are so many trails. I don't know where to where. But now it's coming to the slippery part. Well, guys, this is such a peaceful place, and I'm telling you, if you come here, you'll be so peaceful that you guys really want to meditate, and you should also visit the waterfall, as I told you. Well, I really enjoyed you, and thanks for watching, and bye for now. But first of all, I'm gonna meditate.